This design tonight is for all my sport moms out there. I'm a baseball mom myself. My son has played baseball since he was 4, but this is our scoreboard transfer from Couture, and it not only has baseball, there's a football helmet, there's a soccer ball and basketball, and it has words that pertain to each sport, and it also has numbers, so as your son or daughter develops throughout their sport, you can absolutely change that. And we also have a transfer called Friday Night Lights for all you football moms out there. So as everybody knows, all of our transfers at Couture are reusable, which makes it really great because, again, as they are developing through their sports, you can change out their numbers or, change out their actual sport they play, which is really cool. So there's a lot of different designs that you could create with our Couture transfers. Now, tonight I'm using our vertical bracket chalkboard. All of our chalkboards are a porcelain steel with a 50-year warranty, so this is one of the larger ones. And then I'm using several different of our Chalkology chalk paste. Now, again, our chalk paste are water soluble and they are semi-permanent. So as they're growing through this, you could definitely change the designs. You could do this on walls. You can do this on mirrors. So just some fun things you could do. And also, what's really nice, if you're interested in doing a fundraiser, this would be really a great different kind of sport fundraiser that we could offer where we could get together and then I'd be more than happy to donate funds to your organization. So I hope you love the end result. I'm just adding my son's pictures to this with some double-sided tape and it's all finished. So get in touch with me. www.letsgetchalkinwithjen.com is my blog, and I hope you love what you can create.